guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Fernanda, if you guys don't already know. And today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow routine because I never do my eyebrows on camera, so I was like, why not do how I do my brows? So I'm going to be doing this side, and this side I'm going to be doing it off camera. My eyebrows are a little bit different, so it's kind of hard to get them even. They're not twins, and they're kind of sisters, so they're like kind of stepsisters or something because they're not even. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so when I fill in my brows, I use the Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown, and it just looks like this. I'm pretty sure you guys seen it. Looks like that. I also use the Anastasia brush. This is the number 12, and it looks like that. It's very nice. It has a spoolie at the end, and that's how I do my brows with this brush. It's very nice. So what I do is I comb my hairs upwards, and then I grab some product, and what I do first is I make a line under here. So I just connect all my hairs together. I kind of try to make it longer, my brow a little bit longer, like that. And I usually start off like right here, and then I make the line go all the way to like where it kind of connects, like the end of my eye to the brow. And then once I have that, I comb it up again just to make sure my hair didn't go down. And I grab a little bit of product from the one I had for my hand, and I try to make the line go longer from right here. And I see like right here is where my shape stops. I don't know if you guys can see my shape of my brow. So I grab it from right there where it's missing. And I did grab more product. So I grab it from right there, and then I just go straight. Just go straight line. And then my arc stops right here, and it starts to go down. So what I do is I go down as well, and then from right there I just start to darken it up, so just making like little strokes going down, start filling in the missing spots. And then you just start, whatever you have left over in the brush, you just start to fill in right here. Just start to fill it in, and then going upwards right here. And then you just kind of brush it. And that's how I do my brow. So I'm going to be doing this brow off camera. Okay, so once I have my brows done, I don't know if they look the same or not, but I just do them the same and I fill them in. So now when I'm done with that, I need to fix my brows because I mean they're not perfect and I sometimes mess up. So I do use a concealer, and this is a concealer I use. A Flaw concealer. It's the Hard Candy and it's in shade Light. And this is what I use for the bottom. For the top, I use a different one. Try not to get too close to the line, but try to fix your brow. So what I do is I tilt my head up, and I put the concealer right there. Just like that. And I'm going to be doing this one as well. Top concealer, I like to go in darker darker. Yeah, I like to go in darker, so I go in with this one. This is the Master Concealer by Maybelline in 40 medium, and this is what I use for the top because I like to go darker because it just matches my foundation, and I go lighter right here so my eyeshadow pops. So that's why I do it. So what I do is the same thing as I did to the bottom, I do to the top. And a drop of concealer had already dropped right there, but I could just go in with the brush and try to fill that spot in. So now we have like a perfect brow. Okay, now with another brush, I like to go in and I like to just blend everything in. So I go in with this one, just like pat everything down. Okay guys, so once my eyebrows are done, I start off my videos. I'm pretty sure you guys know that once my eyebrows are done, I start my videos. I never really set my brows until like the last minute, like the last step, because I usually like do this bronzer, foundation, sometimes I do glitter, and I don't want any of that to fall on my brow. I never really set my brows, but just for this video, my eyebrow routine video, I am gonna set my brows, but I never really do until like I'm done with everything. But to set my brows, I do use the Great Lash. It's a mascara by Maybelline, and it's clear, and it's just what I use to set my brows because I mean they look poppin'. And I feel like they look so good. So I'm gonna give you guys a little close up to my brows. That is my brows right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll be having a requested video. Yes, a requested video. Someone had commented on my video and told me to do this type of video, and I'm gonna be doing it. I'm also gonna give her a shout out for that video. And if you guys would like to get a shout out or anything, just comment down below and tell me what type of video I should do next, and like what would you guys want to see, and I'll do it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. It's a red button, it says subscribe, and don't forget to push that bell icon so you guys can notify every time I post, so you won't miss any video of me. And see you guys next time.